Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here, fresh face, clean face, no makeup, because today's video we are talking about Boxycharm. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box that comes with makeup and skincare products. It is $25. It comes with 5 full-size products. I have been using Boxycharm for months. And I've been getting questions about it just from friends and family, and even on Instagram about if I would recommend it. I know there are a million of subscription makeup subscriptions out there. I've tried them all. I've tried a lot of them, not all of them. I've tried a lot of them, and for whatever reason, I love the products that come in Boxycharm. So this video is not sponsored by Boxycharm. It's not a partnership. I have no relationship with Boxycharm. So this is my honest opinion. So I have taken everything out of the box, out of the packaging, and I'm going to go over the 5 products and give you the prices. Any makeup products that I have to use that are not included in the box, I'll just step off camera and go ahead and do that. But without further ado, let's get started. All right, the first product that I want to talk about is a body glow, which summer is coming, so definitely looking forward to using this. This is from a company called Eloise. Look how pretty. I've never used anything from this company, so that's another good thing. Boxycharm introduced me to all kind of brands that I don't think I would have found on my own, so that's a bonus. Like I said, the box itself is $25, and just the products usually just pay for themselves. But this body glow is $38. So this alone pays for the box. So yes, body glow, that's good. The next thing is a eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. These are the colors. Let me just open them so you can see. Very, very pretty. So we have Harlow Lash Line, Satin Skin, Crease, and Glam Green. Actually, the other way. So we have Glam Green, Crease, Satin Skin, Lash Line, and Harlow. Very, very pretty. And so I've received her palettes before in Boxycharm boxes, and I actually love her eyeshadows. Very pigmented. Usually comes in beautiful colors, so excited about this one. And this eyeshadow palette retails for $48, you guys. The next thing that we're going to talk about is a lipstick from Laura Geller. It retails for $21. It is called Greenwich Street Berry. Very pretty. This is what it looks like. Okay, now reds are very tricky for me. Either you can do reds correctly or incorrectly. And for me, it's usually incorrectly. I have to find the right red to go with my skin tone, just to go with my whole, I don't know. Sometimes I have to be in a mood to wear red. So hopefully this berry is a true berry. But we'll see. All right, so that was $21. The next thing is a body wash from Terre de Mars. I'm sure I'm butchering that name. So if I'm saying this incorrectly, you guys, please let me go. Please let me know. But it's a body wash. Obviously, you guys won't see me using this, but oh, it smells really good. It smells really good. It has coffee, rosemary, and verbena extract inside of it, and it is $22. It smells amazing. Very fresh. Like, this is going to be amazing during summer. And then the last thing is a tinted moisturizer from a company called Studio Makeup. It gets tricky with tinted moisturizers because they have to be the right shade, and I don't even know if this one is. But let's see. Oh yeah, I can already tell. This is going to be a little too deep for me, but I'll show you the color that it came in. So yeah, I won't try this one on just because it's just not going to be my shade. So this one I will just give to a relative or a friend But just so you guys know, that retails for $35. So again, we have all these products and the box is $25. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm not going to do the tinted moisturizer, I will go throw on some foundation and we can get started with the eyeshadow palette. All right, guys, so I just threw on a little bit of foundation and some concealer just so that we can complete this makeup look. So let's go ahead and get into this eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. The first color I'm going to use for my base is going to be this color, Harlow. This is pretty, kind of like beigey color. So go ahead and...
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready.
Yeah, so it's like a beigey color. If you're looking for that... This is just a palette of like neutral colors. So there are no crazy like loud bright colors in here, which is good, especially for going out. If you're going out to like a nice dinner, wearing like a neutral color. All right. So that is the color Harlow, and that is the color I'm using as my base. All right. So the next color that I'm going to use is this color called Satin Skin. It's this color right here in the middle. Very, very pretty. Just go ahead and wet this brush. Go ahead and apply this.
To slow down before you came round.
I don't know if you guys can see how pretty that is. Okay. So already, I'm loving this palette already, just based off of these two colors. Pretty, so pretty. All right, awesome. All right, so we'll quickly just throw that on. Look how pretty that color is. Like the two colors out of this eyeshadow palette, and I love them both. And again, that is Satin Skin. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hit this crease with this color called, actually I'm going to hit it with this color called Lash Line, which is a darker brown. Let me show you guys. This color right here, I'm sorry, it's called Crease. It's a pretty brown. Go ahead and throw on that in my crease. Wow. All right, so just quickly threw on 3 colors. Again, we used Crease, we used Harlow, and we used Satin Skin. And love the colors. Very pretty, very pigmented, but I like her eyeshadow palettes anyway. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and throw on some mascara and some eyeliner, and the next thing we will talk about is the Eloise Glam Glow. I'm going to try to use it as a highlighter. All right, guys, so I just quickly put on some eyeliner and some mascara, and I am about to get into this Eloise Body Glow, which I'm super excited about. I am going to just try to show you guys, put it on my fingers and show you. I don't know if you can see, but the light, I don't know if the light is going to hit it, if you guys can see it, but it's this really sheer kind of, put it here on my chest, like glow. It's just this subtle kind of glow. And I want to put it, see, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's here. I want to put a little bit on my face, get a little highlight going. Pretty, very, very pretty. Okay. So just a little more. Beautiful. Okay. It's just giving my face just a little bit of shimmer. Just a little bit. Which, you know, I'm always down for a good highlighter. But this is beautiful. It's such a pretty color. I have it all over my hands so you guys can see. It just gives that glow that you need, especially during the summer. So awesome, awesome product. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the lipstick. That is the last product that I'm able to try on. Remember, it was kind of like this berry color from Laura Geller.
Heading for a small disaster. was ready to blow me.
What do you guys think? I love it. I am usually not a berry person, but this one is not too much and it's just enough. So I'm a fan. I am loving this. It's perfect, especially for spring. Just that pop of color that you need. Okay, just to wrap things up, the two things that I couldn't try on was that moisturizer, the tinted moisturizer. It was just not my color. It was a little too deep for me. And the body wash, but the body wash smelled amazing. So I'm excited about using that. But so my honest opinion about the box, what I recommend it, absolutely. Yes, I've gotten boxes where I've had products that didn't quite work for me, maybe one out of the box. And I've never had a box that had two, but I would give it to someone like I mentioned, and I use the other products. And again, the box is $25. You cannot go wrong. I am going to include a link in the description box if you guys are interested in any of these products or signing up for Boxycharm. And yeah, that's it. This is the finished look. Again, some of the products are from my own personal makeup stash, but I tried to use all the products in the box. So I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and bye-bye.